Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open the app and sign in with the account tied to your subscription. Do this first so progress syncs. Once logged in, choose the specific exam and enter your target test date so Uworld creates a timeline. Then set realistic weekly study hours. This tells the app how many questions per session to schedule. Make sure notifications are enabled so you get daily reminders and missed session prompts. This keeps the plan active and prevents falling behind. You should start with untimed question blocks to learn reasoning without pressure. Once comfortable, switch to timed mode to build pacing. As you answer, read every explanation. This is where learning solidifies. Then mark or tag items you don't understand so you can revisit them. Make short custom notes for tricky concepts. These fuel rapid review sessions. Finally, check performance stats to identify weak areas. Concentrate your next sessions on the lowest accuracy tags to improve efficiently and raise your overall score. You finish sessions by reviewing incorrect and marked questions. Redo those definitely within 1 to 3 days to reinforce memory. Once a week, run a mixed set simulating test conditions to measure timing and endurance, and check cumulative performance reports to track trends. Before your exam, export study notes or capture high-yield concepts for last-minute review. If the app stops syncing or shows missing progress, force close it. Reconnect to a stable network and sign in again. This usually forces a fresh sync and recovers lost data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.